Hello viewer, this is Abhishek from Waspnote, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create timelines in just seconds with the help of the events that you have already created in your Waspnote account. As you must be knowing that how timelines can be useful while taking your notes or while revising your notes for referencing. Okay, so let's create a timeline and let us know that how easy is it and how helpful this tool is. Okay, for creating a timeline, just navigate to the others menu at the top, go to timelines. Okay, and here you'll see a list of the timelines that you have already created. Since I have not created any timeline yet, so it is showing me nothing. Let's create one. Click on add new. Let's name the timeline, give it a title. So I would give it a title named title, let's say history, sorry, of Indian Parliament. And I'm giving this particular timeline this title just because I have certain events created in my Waspnote account regarding this topic. Okay, so uh, as you can see here, my timeline has been created, but it has nothing. As you can see here, it is empty just because I have not added any event here. So how you can quickly add the events, let me show you. uh, Click here, add event. Search for the events that you wanna add into. Okay, let's search for parliament. Yeah, so I have searched the events that contain the term parliament in its title, and I have got three events. Okay, click, just select these three events and just click on add. And in a matter of, this is just a matter of second. In few seconds, I have created a timer. Not few seconds, just in 5 to 10 seconds maybe. I've created a timeline here. As you can see here, you have to do nothing. It has already been saved. Okay, so the timeline has been saved, and as you can see here, uh, okay, you can select events in any order. It doesn't matter. Okay, you do not need to focus on selecting events according to time in descending or ascending order. No, you have to do nothing. You just have to select the events in any order, and the Waspnote will automatically arrange the events in a series of time. Okay, in the sequence. As you can see here, that I added the events in any order. Okay, but Waspnote has added the events in a sequence. As you can see here, January 1921. Okay, this was the year when the construction of Parliament started. Okay, then comes 1927. After 1921, when the completion of Indian Parliament happened, means the Indian Parliament was built, the construction was completed on this in this particular year. Okay, and last December 20, okay, to 2020, when the new Parliament was inaugurated, maybe on 28th of May. Okay, so yeah, 20th December. No, it was inaugurated on 28th of May 2023. Okay, so the new Parliament construction was started on 20 December 2020. Okay, you can add as many events as you want, and later you can view those events. Okay, if I want to add more events, just let's search for the events. Okay, I have tons of events that I have already created in my account. So, Operation Barbosa. Let's add these. Let's add the events that actually that are related to this particular timeline. You can choose any event, but I'm choosing this. Lok Sabha existence, design of the old Indian Parliament. This is related to this particular topic. Rajya Sabha, construction of the Parliament. I've already added this. If I choose this particular, the events won't be duplicated. Okay, it will take care. Waspnote will take care of the duplication of event, so it won't duplicate it. If you choose anything duplicate event, so it doesn't matter. Okay, first meeting of Lok Sabha. Let's click it. Inauguration, new parliament construction. I'm choosing some duplicate events on purpose to show you that how Waspnote takes care of those. Let's add this. and the timeline has been updated here. Okay, with all the events that I have updated with. Okay, now as you can see here that earlier our event started with the year 1921, but now it has started with 1911, just because 1911 is more earlier than 1921, and this was the year when the designing of the old Indian Parliament started. Okay, so the two British architects designed the old Indian Parliament, and there are, as you can see here, none of the events is duplicated here. Okay, all the events are different from each other. Okay, so in this way you can add the events as many as you want. Okay, customize the timeline here with this particular panel. And if you want to remove certain events, like if I want to remove this Lok Sabha existence, just remove this, and the timeline has been updated. The Lok Sabha event has been removed and it has been updated. You can also export this timeline in the form of PDF, which is a very good looking PDF, I can say, very interactive PDF. But in this video, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so close it. And you can also view this particular timeline. Okay, preview the timeline. Let's preview this. Click here. As you can see here, you can see the same thing on your mobile phone as well while revising your notes, and you can add this particular timeline in your notes as well by clicking add tool there. When I'll make a video on notes, okay, how you can take notes smartly with Waspnote, then I'll show you that how you can add events, timelines, and many other things in your notes so that you can summarize those things. Okay, here 1921, you can just see here the events in a sequence and in ascending order. Okay, and you can also click on this particular arrow to go ahead or back in the timeline. Okay, so this was a very simple feature of timeline which will really help you to enhance your note taking experience. And you can also change the title here like in the events and quick notes and other tools of Waspnote. And the last which I want to show you is the sharing feature. I have already talked about this particular feature in the previous videos, like in the event video. So you can share with the person who already has a Waspnote account by clicking share with, or you can make it public so that anyone can view this particular timeline who even doesn't have a Waspnote account. You just share the link with the person and he or she will be able to view this particular event. So so this was a short video on timeline, that how you can create interactive timelines with the help of Waspnote. And in later videos I'll talk about that how you can add these timelines in notes, and maybe in the next video I'll share with you that how you can create maps, how you can customize maps or take notes with the help of maps, which is a very unique feature that you will see in no other note making app available in market. Okay, so that's also a very unique feature. So you can say that this was also a very unique feature. You will not see any timeline or events feature in any of the note taking apps out there in the market. So this was the very unique feature that I was talking about. Okay, so so time to goodbye. Okay, and so goodbye and take care of yourself.